Now we start off with institutions and individuals in who export services such as consultancies have been dealt a blow after the High Court threw out a petition challenging the imposition of value-added tax VAT on export services. The imposition of VAT on exported services was challenged through a consolidated petition number E338 on July 8, 2022. Judith Cheronio has the details.
Institutions and individuals exporting services from Kenya are a worried lot. Their businesses may not be as competitive as they have been before, owing to the High Court's decision to throw out the petition challenging the imposition of value-added tax on exported services. The Finance Act of 2022 expunged exported services from the first schedule of the VAT Act 2013, indicating they had been reclassified from the previous status where they were exempt from VAT to standard rated, meaning they were expected to attract VAT at 16% effective July 1st, 2022.
The exemption provision was deleted. When we say an export of service is a service whose use and consumption is outside this country, get that with clarity. We will actually address this issue of exported services.
Pundits say that the canon of equity provides that taxation should be distributed equitably without discrimination. Also, the draft national tax policy states that VAT will follow the destination principle, meaning that taxing rights is with the person receiving the service, not the one offering it.
The court said was double taxation does not arise. It's not an issue to be dealt with here, and therefore we do not see what the taxpayers are complaining about. And in my view, I think that's really not the issue, because double taxation speaks to direct taxes, meaning income tax.
The underlying argument of the petition was that subjecting exported services to VAT would amount to double taxation, and that its inclusion into the Finance Act 2022 was not subjected to public participation. The High Court ruling on VAT on export services is a major win for the Kenya Revenue Authority and the National Treasury, given the ambitious targets set by the draft budget policy statement regarding VAT. The draft budget policy statement provides for the closing the VAT revenue gap from 38% to 19%, implying the taxman will be expected to collect at least an additional 154 billion through VAT in the financial year 2023-2024. Judith Cheronio, NTV Business.